Hello everyone and welcome back to Trinity House of Suds. My name is Tamara Barker, and on today's episode, guys, we are making some sugar scrub.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
It has been requested that we make a sugar scrub video, so here I am making some sugar scrub. Shout out to Amanda. Amanda, you know who you are. She is like one of our #1 supporters, you guys. She's the one who actually requested that we make a sugar scrub video. So here you go, Amanda girl. Thanks for all your support and your love. We love you, honey. And know that we are praying for you and your family continuously. So yes, what I'm doing is I'm just breaking up the chunks of the sugar. Oh, you guys can't even see it. Dang, I put it on white. Wait, my bad. So there we have it, the little chunk right there. I hope you guys can see that. Yep. The light is pretty bright in here tonight. And I want to actually see myself, since I noticed on my last video, I did not do a good job at showing you guys those soaps. I'm so sorry, y'all, but hey, it be like that sometimes, right? But yes, I'm just getting the chunks out. And I am going to go in with my hand and just try to get out as much of the chunks as possible. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna put this recipe only calls for a tablespoon. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to combine this as much as I can. It does get a little difficult to do because, you know, the colada oatmeal, it wants to clunk up together. So just try to combine it as much as you can, okay? So that's all you will see me doing right now. Just try to combine this little sucker. That's it. I should use my freaking mixer, but that's okay. I'll use my hands today. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to add the color in here before I start doing anything else. So I'm just scraping the top of this because there is mica in there and I don't like to waste anything, okay, if I ain't got to, honey. And this is a pigment, so I am gonna have to work that in there a little bit. I'm not gonna put too much because it doesn't need that much. It don't need to be too bright. You guys see that? How pretty. Just like with the bath bomb. You know, you normally want to color your thing first, or you could add your color to your oils, like your whatever oils you choose to use, your oils and your wax and things like that, or your butters. You could add it to that, or you can even add it to your fragrance oils as well. So now we're gonna pour in the same oils that I was just telling y'all about, you guys. I'm pouring in my oils now. And I haven't even added the fragrance oil in there yet because I wanna check the temperature before I add my fragrance oils, okay? Alright guys, I'm back. I got a different container. This one's a little better. It's not that much better, but it'll work. Okay. So now, I'm just gonna try to pour this in there and make it not be as messy as the other one. Like, how pretty is that? Amanda, girlfriend, you're gonna have so much fun making sugar scrubs. You're gonna go sugar scrub crazy. Hubby gonna come home every day and you're gonna be making a new batch every day. Cause it's fun. With these, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make these beauties. I really did enjoy making them for you guys, and as I stated before, they will be ready for Mother's Day, so please be on the lookout. We will be posting them on all of our social media, so you guys are aware and notified. Yes. So yes guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make this lavender, cucumber, and sage sugar scrub. It smells really, really, really good. So yes guys, peace and blessings.